People have been rock climbing about as long as there have been, well, people. Nowadays, the gear has advanced, it's become lighter, stronger, and safer. What hasn't changed are the human qualities and characteristics needed. Strength, endurance, razor-sharp focus, and an attitude that says, hanging out on a 400-foot, 90-degree slab of granite is exactly where I want to be. This is home. Free climbing is considered to be the ultimate expression of the sport. Climbers constantly search for those perfect handholds and toe holds as they crawl up the face of any rock they can find. Free climbing doesn't mean you don't have a backup rope to catch you, though. Otherwise, there wouldn't be any second chances. And when the face tilts out to more than 90 degrees, suddenly the laws of gravity only exist in the back of your mind, even if you're hanging on by your fingernails. Just like skiing, the fun part is on the way down. Some take the conservative approach and ease themselves down with the help of their belayer. While others like to face the ground they've been trying so hard to escape all day in a defiant gesture.